think we are live. Yeah, I think we are in live. Okay, so let me just check the date. Today date was 21st, 8 and 26. So it's okay. I need to pass this because to save my internet. So why am I shouting? Okay, it's not short. Okay, so I have to do 16 PYQs, right? So let me go to GATE workflow. And today is holiday, right? It is not gas loading. So shortcut books, right? There is some books, yeah. Okay. So we are doing what? So okay, we'll do attitude. I don't know why I obsess with attitude, but let me complete it. Analytical aptitude, right? So our target is one questions, 15 plus questions. Okay. That's fine. It's A's relation. Okay, let's see what is A's relation. Okay, so let us see on A's relation how it goes. 2 questions out of it. So first, Hari H, Geeta G, from. Okay, we don't need to consider. Okay, our siblings. Siblings means like they might be brothers or sisters, anything. Okay, that is brothers and sisters. Okay, all were born on 1st January. All are okay. I mean they didn't mention any year. So okay, the age difference between any two successive siblings. Successive means right after. Okay, and that is born after one that is born after one. Yeah, it's two successive means the basic definition is that is less than 3 years. Okay, given okay, what is saying, the age difference between any two successive siblings, okay, is less than 3 years. It means if they need to be successive siblings, then these two siblings must be born between less than 3 years. Okay, fine. So given the following, okay, Hari age plus Geeta age greater than F1 is plus. How can you say that? Okay. Okay, they're saying they all are siblings. So the age is, suppose Hari, if Hari is 3, then Geeta is okay. Wait, this is the timeline. If Hari born at, suppose it is 2000, okay, Hari born from 3, okay, 2000, and Geeta born at, this is Hari, this is Geeta at 3. Then they are siblings less than 3 years. They did not say equals to. So let's imagine 2 years. Okay, 2 years, and Geeta after Geeta 1 years. This is here is 0. Here less than 2. Okay, two successive siblings that is born after is less than 3 years. Okay, they're saying they all are siblings. All were born in 1st January. Okay, so let's press on sisters. How can they be siblings less than 3 years? I mean, like if from they are okay. The age difference between Gita and Gita is 1 year. However, Gita is not oldest and Sayara is not youngest. It can be possible. There are no twins. Okay, they're saying the conditions, right? Yeah, I'm thinking these are the options which I have to choose. How can I choose this? Idiot. Okay, so Hari plus Gita is greater than, okay, means Hari or Gita, they are born first. Okay, we have to make sure that Hari and Gita they born first. Okay, so the age difference between Gita and Sayara is 1 year. So Gita age is 1 less than Sayara. So no Hari plus Gita. Suppose Gita and Gita is 1 less than Gita. Difference between Gita and Sayara is 1. It means like Gita equals to Sayara plus 1. Gita like Sayara plus 1 equals Gita. Then from is Sayara. Okay. However, Gita is not oldest. Okay, I mean Gita is not oldest means Hari is the oldest. Okay, he is the oldest, and Sayara is not youngest. Means that Sayara is not youngest. Sayara is in middle. So there are no twins. Okay, no twins are there. In order they were born oldest first. Okay, it means that if Hari is the oldest, I think so. No, what is saying? Hari. Okay, H is one option is there, but here I means if they have 2 options. So if Gita, what if Gita is youngest? Okay, Ifran. Okay, we don't know about anything about Ifran, right? So they did not mention Ifran. So first Ifran, then after Hari will come. I think G. What G? Gita. Gita is not oldest. So I think option D will be true. Option B. Oldest first. Sayara is now the youngest. Yes, you can say not the youngest. Okay, let's see the solution. Is my stream okay? Oh my god, it is core stream. I can't do anything, man. So okay, H plus G case, okay, no twins. Either G equals plus, okay. Here why I have chosen this. Okay, what there's H plus G. Okay, here it is G. Here it is G. Either G equals to or S equals to G plus 1. S equals to G. Okay, equals to G plus 1. It implies that H greater than seems since twins not possible, so H greater than I case 2. Okay, the H plus G greater than H plus 1. No twins. Either G equals to S plus 1 or S equals to G plus 1. Yeah, it's true. And G is not the oldest and S is not the youngest. It means they both act as middle. Okay. G is not the oldest. Means G can be youngest as well. G can be youngest, or S can be eldest. Okay. G can be youngest. Or S can be S is not youngest. It means S can be eldest. Okay, it can be. And if S is eldest, then S just 1 year less than. S less. Okay. Which is case 1, G equals to S plus 1. Implies that H greater than M minus 1. Since twins were not possible, so H greater than 1. Then I okay, need to stop. That is in hurry, keep the prawn and siblings. Okay, let us do the starting. Stream is okay. I think now it is okay. Oh, again it is. So, what is in hurry age and Gita's age? The difference between any two successive siblings that are one after another less than 3 years. Okay. Means that Hari and Gita, if they want to be siblings, then they are born less than 3 years. Okay, and what they saying they are born only Jan 1. It means Jan 1 and next year Jan 1, Gita 1. Okay. And they both are siblings. If they both are siblings means then it's okay, fine. So Hari plus Gita's age equals to greater than Hari plus Gita greater than Ifran plus Cyrus. The difference between Gita and Saira is 1 year. Okay, difference between Gita and Saira means what Saira is 1 year. Okay, it can be either G minus S equals to 1 or S minus G equals to 1. We can't predict that. So next, there are no twins. Okay, the difference between Gita. However, Gita is not okay. Gita is not the oldest. Means Gita should not come in the front. Okay, Gita here is not possible, and Sayara is not the youngest. Sayara is not here. Okay, so there are 3 fillings. Okay. So it's the possibility. Okay. So what take you on? Okay, we had to eliminate option first. Okay. Then I'm that dumb to give the options. Okay. Okay, fine. So first condition, it will be first case. Right? Consider these 2 cases. Gita should not be oldest. Means Gita can be anywhere else. So we are all options are possible. And Sayara Saira should not be at the youngest. Should okay, fine. It's one of the possible by this condition. And Geeta and Saira is 1 year. Okay, Geeta and Saira, between Geeta and Saira it will be only 1 year. Means if not born, other born in January means Geeta and Saira should be together. Okay. I got it, man. Geeta and Saira should be together, right? What they're saying that all are born in 1st January. So the 1st January, the two want to be siblings. What I'm just doing in the sake of the answer or what? Geeta and Saira. Okay, what they said, the difference is 1 year. Okay. So if they want to be siblings, okay, these two are siblings. So got it. So what? So if Geeta is at the end, then Saira should be back of Geeta. Okay, either this possible, or if so, or the who is that oldest. Okay, if Saira is here, then Geeta must be here. Yeah, it's the true. Like it can be SG or okay, SG or things. Okay. Wait. Who? Saira is not youngest. It can be eldest. So Geeta is not oldest. Okay, and the gain condition was if these two are if we calculate this condition S plus G. Indeed, S plus G. Okay, this will be 1. Okay, this condition okay. Okay, if we select the first option, and first option not come, SG, and SG. Okay, first option will not come. BC might come. Okay, Geeta is not oldest. Okay, option A will not come. Definitely, we have to check these two. If Geeta minus Saira, okay, if we consider this, then plus Geeta because from H. Okay, we have to check by this condition only. Okay, okay, this one will be 1 and Hari H plus Geeta. Hari plus Geeta. Okay, if we do these two plus and error size. Okay, now let us see. Okay, these two is anyways greater, right? So it is greater if one is the youngest plus youngest. It can be possible. So what is here? If from Geeta. So if we add these two, Ifran minus Geeta equals to no, it will definitely not come. And from Hari. Oh god, this question. After reading the first condition, it is clear that Saira and Iran are younger than Geeta. After the first condition, Saira. Okay, Saira and Ifran are younger than Geeta and Hari. Younger Saira Saira and Irfan are younger than Geeta and Hari. That's true. That's why their age sum is less than what? Their age sum is less than that of other two. Okay. Now after reading the second condition, it is clear that Geeta and Saira age difference is 1. We know that Saira would have born before Geeta. So it's like SG. Okay. Yeah. I got the same SG. Now the only option you match with to match is option B. Okay. Yeah. Okay, what they just differ by 1 year. Yes, can be true. Helpful. Yes. So, yeah, it's true. Read. Okay, great question, man. I have to do it again. So let's move on. Omkar. Oh, what is these options? Can I mention them? G forget. Okay, fine. Then what? Oh man, how much time did it take? Okay, it took around 20 minutes to understand this question. Okay, and then what is second question? But it is okay sometimes to spend time on questions. So what's the second question? Abhishek is elder to Maria. Okay, AB is elder to Summer. Elder. Okay, mean AB is elder brother. Okay, Sawa. And okay, Sawa is anger to Shower is anger. Means he Sawa is anger. Okay, so you can say that Savar is the youngest. Bonus it can be okay. Which of the following conclusions logically valid and interpret from the above statement? So Abhishek is elder to Anshul. Can't say Anshul is elder to Abhishek. No, can't say that. Abhishek and Anshul are both the same. No, not spoken. So what we can say is, so here they didn't mention, they mentioned what? They mentioned the elder. So Abhishek is elder. Anshul is elder to Abhishek. Okay, Anshul. No, then not take answer. Like Abhishek is elder to Anshul. No, I think no correspondence. I think option D will be the answer. Yeah, option D. Okay. Here we can't say like he can be or may not be also. So yeah, it's correct. Like this type of questions. So thank you. Why it is pro? Okay, I don't have enough internet to stream. So suggesting So what next? So I have done this. So, analog. Okay, analogy, not analog. Is it much or what? Ha ha. So what? Water. P. Food Q. Okay, water P, food Q. Choose the P and Q combinations from the options below to form a meaningful knowledge. So water, drink, food, hunger. No. Water, thirst. Okay, if we get thirst, we will drink water. Okay, if we get hungry, it's hunger. What is hunger? Hungry. Okay, if we get hungry, we get. I think option A will be the correct. Yeah, will be correct. Oh man, this is so simple, right? But in examination, the point of exam, we feel what is hunger, thirst. I think drink water, drink, food, hunger. Okay, fine, good question. And then connected energy and what is coding, decoding. I think we've done this question, right? No, not done. So the just drawing among options is the most correct for ABC. Man, we need to write again ABCDs. Okay, we have to go to children. Like what? Like A for apple, B for ball. Oh no, not like that. A, C, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, what is okay? If image and field are coded as okay, what's I? They give I. Okay, I is coded as F. Where is F? What the heck? Okay, they are going backward 1, 2. Okay, backward 3 word. Okay, backward 3 going. I backward 3. M backward 3. What is it? Backward 3. If you remember M backward is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is J, right? Okay. If it is J, no. Wait. Here it's M backward. No, 3. They're going 5. Okay, M backward 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're counting to M to H. Then after A to 5. It becomes like A to 7. 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A to T. A to B. Okay. Image IMAG. Image is coded as H P N J. Okay. So this is coded as backward 3. Okay. It's coded as backward 5. Okay. M to H 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, backward 5. And A to B is forward 1. Okay. And G coded as N. It is G coded as N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, plus 7. Okay, and then what is E? E coded as J. Okay, E coded as J. E coded as J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, plus 5. So is there anything to find out? Okay, field. Okay, consider field FIELD. Field is called as EMJG. Okay, so F is called as E. Okay, that's one. And I is called as M. I 1, 2, 3, 4. So E is called as F. Plus 1. L is called as J. Where is L? L called as J means 1, 2. Minus 2. D is called as G. What is D? 3 plus 3. So is there anything related to that? is squared as yes. So what beach we have to code beach, BEACH. So is there any common thing to get? E plus 1 plus 5. So what is saying? Okay, BEACH. Okay, what is this? Okay, I gave for 2 marks, so it should be 3 minutes. So I think, is there any criteria to get? What's higher? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Common link in between E is common, but E F is there, and then here E J is there. J, two different. So how did they do? They use any percent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10. This 20. Okay. So if I means 9. If 9, then adding minus 3 becomes 6. Okay, 9 is becoming 6. And what? M is called as H. What is M? M is 12. M is 13. Okay, M is 13. So if it's 13, it wants to be 13, right? 13 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then what is A? Okay, if we get A, okay. What is G? G. Okay, we get G means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, G is 7. Then it moves to N. Okay. What is E? Then how did it most appropriate? So here if I choose by the option, I can say B and B, C, D. In that most probably B and D. Not B and D. I can say if H is coded as C, if H is coded as C, H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 plus 5. So then what? First time minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Okay, middle just holding plus 1. Okay, do plus 1, E will become B. Okay, yeah, to do middle plus 1 become B. We consider this will be B, right? Okay. Oh, shall I go with option B? Is it negative marking? No, right? Okay. It's middle one plus B. And what is next one? What we are doing? We are adding plus 2. Okay, plus 1. Adding 2. Okay, 2. Okay, here 5. Here plus 5. Yeah, both are same, but here plus 4 minus 4. Just one thing is different. So the third option might be what? Might be minus 5 plus 4. I think option B will be the correct option. If there is no negative mark, I will choose option B as answer, but yes, it is true, but how? Okay, it's true. Okay. Yeah, it's perfectly all right. So yeah, adding +1 to every character from the last character, so we can get this code. Adding +1. What do you mean +1? Image E. Add +1 to every character from last character. So we get its code. Okay, image +1 every character from starting. Okay, image +1 I +1 every character from start. Come JN Pro. What the heck they just did? It's very good question, but how to approach the solution? Oh, bro. See, actually, what they have given was they just add +1, that's all, and they just inverted it. So if we observe, like I, where is I before J? Okay, it match with this, and it M match with N, M and A B. Okay, and then G. Okay, here. Okay, if you cancel here, E F. That's all. Yeah, but somehow I got correct. But nice question. Just you have to look at the order. That's all. Patterns. F G H A B C D E G I J E F. Next question, decoding. Okay, and after logical inference. Okay, how many questions we have done? Coding 2. Okay, coding 2 and another 1 and decoding 1, 3 I think so. Yeah, I think we have done 3 questions. So what next? So I think they came. Where? No, they didn't come. So what next? Based on the conversation below, identify the logical correct inference. Even if I had known that you were in hospital. Okay. Let me pin. What did you say about this? This link is in bio. Is it bio? Bio like this. Or description. To pin this message. Okay, I need to edit this. Okay. Oh. If you okay, this picture's got paint. Okay, fine. So what next? So based on this question is very good, man. So based only on conversation will identify the logically correct inference. Okay, even if I had known that you were in hospital, okay, I would not have gone there. Okay, I would not have gone there to see you. Terminator told Josephine. Oh. Okay, fine. Ramya knew that Josephine was in hospital. Even if I know that you were in hospital, I would in the sense it is past future means like I would have done. It's not correct. I would not go on there to see you. Okay. Josephine was in hospital due to okay no. Josephine were on Christmas okay no. Ahmed did not know that Josephine was in hospital. Tell me the truth. Josephine was. Ahmed don't know that Josephine was in hospital. Okay, I think we can be inferred. Yeah. Just basic common sense. I don't know, I got that common sense. If my answer was not correct means I can say yeah, there is something fishy. Okay, fine, I got correct. So next odd one. What's this? Odd one. Pick the odd one from the following. Oh, what is odd one? C, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, okay, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, E, okay, A, B, C, D, E, okay, A, B, C, D, E, and H. What after H? H, I, J, K, L, okay, is not all. First one, V, W, X, what is it? Okay, here, N, this word is N, oh yeah, D is odd. Okay, here like in this question it's very simple. I mean, I thought it was very simple, but you can see the pattern A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so here first place is A, means after A we are just writing all to see. So we can see here N. You can also select N, O, P, Q, R. N, O, P, Q, R. Okay, but here you can see. So yeah, but here M is there, so it is not true. Okay, so you can also choose like this. First question will be A, and second question will be index. We can also choose the index. So anyways, we got correct answer. So what next? Find the odd one in the following group. Okay, so how can you find this? ALRBX. Okay, first even A and ALRBX. EPBZB IT. Is there anything? 3 letters. 5. Okay, all are 5 letters. So what? A, L, R. Okay, A, L. What's L? What is L? Okay, A, L, R, V, X. Okay, they are in the order. Okay, E, P, V, Z, B. Okay, it is not in some kind of order. Okay, I, T, Z. Okay, T, Z. If you want to Z, that's all. O, Y. Yes, so it is odd here. Okay, here it is in order, but they are not following order. I think option A will be the correct one. Oh, what? No, option D. So we'll find out. E, P, okay, here A, L, here E, P, here I, T, okay, this is I, T, 9, okay, I, T, now this is O, Y, okay. If we count into I, 1, and here 12, okay, 1, 12, and the difference between this is 11, what after what? And L, okay, LR, okay, fine. So LR, so error 25 is 5, okay, 11 5 and font of that's it. So TOY is what? 10 11 12 10 12 15 15 Y 25 connect 1 2 3 4 5. Here it is 9. Yeah, I think it will be that. I just got this. Okay, we can also think in terms of numbers and vowels representing to D's odd one. Okay, because D has more than one vowel present. Okay, yeah, I got this. This is the same. It is 10. Okay, L. Let's consider 2 terms. Okay, L. Okay, and another 80. Okay, fine. So is there any correct approach? Okay, from all the words except D, ith letter will be ith. Okay, okay, so words are okay. No. So I have 2 more questions. So 5 questions are done. What next? Facilitating round table city arrangement sequence series. Okay, so just these questions. So what is P equals to 3, R equals to 27, T equals to 43, and Q plus S. What is Q plus S? 3 27. P cube is 27. It is 27 cube. Okay, P. Okay. Okay, here. So what is 3 or 1? It is P right here. It is P Q R S T. Okay, mentioning P Q R S T. To T. P Q R. Okay, it is 3. So this is 3 over 3. Okay, 3 cube is 27. And here it will be 3 power 4. And what is 27 into 3? Okay, 27. What will be 81 into 3? Yeah. What is Q plus S? Q plus S means 3 square plus 3 power 4. Okay, 3 power 4 is what? 81. 81 plus 9 will be 90. Option C. Fine. So what next? In the sequence 6, 9, 14, x, 30, 41, a possible value of x is okay. They are increasing sequence, so x cannot be less than 14 or greater than 30, but here options fine. So 6, 9, 14. We can say 6. 3, 3 more. What's it adding to? They're adding up to 3. If we add 3 and okay, fine. Saying what? Okay, this is the beautiful tester. Yeah, left it here. This is my beautiful tester. So sequence is 3. No. If we add 3, we get 9, and if we add 4, if we add 5, we get 5, we had 7. Okay, if we think we had 7, and for this number if we had 9. Okay, if we had 7 for this number, 14 plus 7 means what? 2 plus 7, it will become 21, 27, 30. Okay, yeah, I think that number will be 21 definitely. Okay, let's see 9. Okay, 11. What you had? 11, 41. Yeah, it's true. 21 will be the answer. B. So what next? So given sequence A, B, B, C, 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 etc. That is 1 A, 2 B's, 3 C's, 4 D's, 5 E's, and so on. On the 240th letter, sequence will be what will be is like okay, it will be like first A is 1 and B is 2. Okay, in 2 B's are this, B is 2 and C is what? C is 3 and D is 4. Okay, we just have to do summation. Is that true? Okay, let us just make it simple. So what's the summation is like sum of n, so it will be 26 27 by 2 become what? Become 27 into 13. Count. So 13, 21, and it will be it's getting more. 81 and 27, so it will be 1, 5, 3, 351. So if we do by 2, what it will be? It will be like 1, 7, 5, okay, 175. So it will be not on what is, so it will be not on V and U. It will be T, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, U, W. Okay. If total is 51, U is what? 26. Okay. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is number? 26. And this is what? 25. This what? 24. What? 23. So 22. This is what? 20. Okay. If we have to add how many numbers? 21. What is the calcium? 21 plus, okay, first 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 minus 351 210. Okay, 210. What was I saying? 240. Okay, we got here 210. Okay, we got 210, right? 21, 231. So now U is what? 22. Okay, I think answer will be U. I mean U, V. I think V option here. Yes, option here. Got it, man. Fine. So then, so what they, how they approach? I think stream is okay. Yes, stream is okay. So what did they approach? So yeah, this is the way. Oh my god, they have done so many things, right? Oh. So then yeah, we're done with 3 questions and total 8 questions. We're done with 8 questions and left with 7 questions. So passage reading, scoring, round table, element, movement. There is this sitting arrangement. Okay, what is this? Whole game, okay. Let us see passage reading. Okay, passage reading. What is the passage reading? Oh, zombie land. Okay, let us see this question. In a recent conducted national convention, boys, what is this? Boys constitute 60% of those. Boys constitute 65% of those appeared for the text. Okay, girls considered the remaining candidates, they are accounted for 60% of qualification candidate. 60% of those who appeared for the text. What constituted 50% of those who appeared for the test? Girls constituted the remaining. Okay. Out of 65, okay, 65 boys percentage there. 65 boys and for 35 girls, okay, 35 girls, okay, 35%, 12%, okay, and remaining candidates, and they accounted for 60% of qualification, okay, counted 60% out of the 35, 60%, I mean 60 by 100 into 35. Okay, which one of the following is correct, logically inferred based on the information provided in the above passage? Equal number of boys and girls are qualified. What is my constituted? What is this? Okay, equal number of boys and constituted. We can consider equal number of boys and girls are appear for the test. No, the number of boys who appear for the test is less than the number of girls who appeared. Say yes, I think. The number of boys who qualified the test is less. We can consider option D. Okay, the number of boys who disqualified for the test is less than the number of girls who qualified. This number, okay, 60% they are qualified, right? So what is, okay, let me see this. This was so top question. And 100 so no boys constitute 65% of appeared test. So total number of boys who appeared is 65, okay, and total number is other. So now girls accounted for 60% of qualifying. Okay, now girls accounted for 60% of qualifying students. Okay, overall there are 65%, so it will be like around 60 by, it will be, okay, let us calculate. It will be goes into 5 to 7, 5, okay, on the 3, okay, 25, okay, mean 20 numbers are calculated. So now girls are qualified students, so number of those who qualified is 0.6x, where x is the total number of qualified students. So who qualified boys, okay, number of boys who qualified is 0.4x. So option A, B, C are false. What's actually the number of boys who qualified the test is less than number of boys. Girls account 60% of qualified students. Okay, girls. Oh, See overall students, right? Okay, we don't have how many vacancies, like how they're taking, right? But out of appearance, all qualified overall qualified students, 60%. Okay, fine. So now obviously girls option will be correct answer, but it is okay. So next message. The country of Zombieland is in distress since more than 100% of working population is suffering from studies conducted by competent health experts concluded that a complete lack of physical exercise among its working population was one of the leading causes of the health issues, and one of the measures to address the problem. The government of Zombieland decided to provide monetary incentives to those who ride bicycles to work. Okay, the information provided above, which is following, can be logically improved by this activity. All the working population of Zombieland will be helpful for riding bicycle to work. Okay, no, like riding bicycle will ensure that the all working population is free of health issues. It can be. So the health experts suggested to government declare riding bicycle as mandatory. Okay. The government of Zombieland believes that riding bicycle is a form of physical exercise. Okay, yeah. The option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. So I have so done 2 questions. So 10 questions done. 5 questions left for our challenge. So round table shall we do discussion? Okay. So 6 people are seated around a circular table. Okay, circular table. Fine. 6 people are seated. So there are at least 2 men and 2 women. Okay, there are at least 2 men. Okay, 2 men means there are minimum criteria 2 men and 2 women. Okay, total of 6. So out of here 2 can be men, 0, and here 0, 2, here 1. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the possibilities. So what next? There are at least 3 right-handed persons. Oh, it's getting harder. Okay, there are at least 3 right-handed persons. Okay, it's 3 right hand. Okay, 3 right hand. Here hands matter. Every woman has a left-hand person to her immediate right. Okay, none of the women are right-handed. Okay, no right-handed. Means all women are left-handed. The number of women in the table is women. There are 2 men, right? Here it is men. Here it is men. Men means here it is men. It is men. Okay, so I consider this what is clock, right? Clockwise. So I consider this 2 men and consider 3 men's. Okay, just 3 men's. Okay. Okay, 4 also possible, 2 also possible, 3 also possible. Okay, all are possible. So the same, one of them is possible. This is right hand. This is right hand. This is left. Okay, right, left. Okay, so what they say? Every woman has left hand person to her immediate right. Immediate right. If here is woman, okay, immediate right. Okay, here he should be right hand person. What they have here, it is left hand. Every woman has left handed person or immediate right. Okay, here woman. Okay, condition. Okay, so what next? So With at least 3 right-hand person, okay, right-handed person. It means that 3 should be men. Okay, 3 should be men. Definitely, okay. 3 should be men. So with 3 men, then okay, 3 men, 2 men, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 5, 6, right? 1 woman or here only possibility. If 2 women, okay, 2 women plus women means no, right, left. Every woman has left-handed person to her immediate right. Okay. At least 3 right-handed persons. Who is possible? 3 right-handed person. 3 right-handed person. Like saying another woman is right-handed and every woman has left-handed person on the right. They're saying if woman is 1, okay, let us say. Okay, they're saying minimum women are 2. Okay, minimum women are 2. If women are 2, then 2 right persons. And what they're saying, okay, 1 woman and 1 right person, and remaining are okay left-handed persons are immediate right. Okay, none of the women are right-handed. Okay, 1 woman is there means then there are at least 3 right-handed persons. I think 3 right-handed persons. Okay, 3 right-handed persons. Okay, and then one woman is here. 1 woman. So now this thing 2 women are supposed to be 2 women are supposed to be. So 3, 4, 5. I think how it is possible? 3 right-hand movements, 3 right-hand persons. Okay, I think option G, option A. How? Okay. Three right-hand men, 2, 5. Okay, 3 right-hand men, 2 left-hand men. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So what there is in there, right? Total 6 people are seated, right? 6 people means here 5. Get here 5 and 1. We need 1 more person to make 6 persons. The person may be either women will be left-handed, men will either left-handed or right-handed. Okay. Case 1. Let us suppose that person is woman, right-handed man. 3 right-handed women. Okay. Case 1. Let's suppose the person is woman. Right-hand men, 3 left-hand women, not possible. 3 right-hand men, 2 left-hand women. Okay, 1 left-hand man. Okay, 6. Can be possible. 3 right-hand women, 2 left-hand women. Okay, man, 3 right-hand women. Suppose here it is men, here it is men, and here it is men. Here left. Here is women. Here it is woman. Here 1 left-hand man. Here it is left-hand man, here it is left-hand man, and here is woman, and here is woman. Okay, but how it is possible? 2 left-hand women. Okay, right after children there should be 1 left-hand man, right? That's the condition they have given. At least 3 right-hand persons. Every woman has left-hand persons to get right of left-hand person. 11 persons to immediate right. Every woman has 11 but to immediate right. Okay. Okay, they're just saying 11 person. They're not saying any woman. Oh, got it. So, yeah, can be true. Case 3. So, yeah, other way around. Okay, got it. And here what I thought was there are women are right. Okay. Here I thought like women should not place together. It is false. It can be also placed together. Okay, fine. One more question. 11 question might be I have to do 4 questions. City arrangement. Okay, and I have yes. Absolutely. Okay, so what is this question? Okay. Rahul, Murali, Srinivas, Arul seated around a square table. Okay. This square table. Murali is around a square table. Okay. Rahul is sitting to the left of Murali. Let us say this he is to this person. It is what it is. It's like this. It is red. So the same. This should the same person. Okay. Rahul is sitting to the left of Murali. If here it is Murali, then here it is Rahul. Rahul is sitting to the left. No. Here it is Rahul. Left of Murali. Left of Murali is Rahul. Okay. Left. Okay. Left or here. Or here. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. Fine. So Rahul Murali. Srinivas is sitting to right of Arul. Right means no. Here right of Srinivas sitting right of Arul. Here it is Srinivas and here it is Arul. So Srinivas is sitting right of Arul. Here it is Arul. Here it is Srinivas. Okay, right of Arul. So which one of the following pairs are opposite to each other? Opposite to each other makes sense. Murali, Rahul, no. Murali, okay. Arul and Rahul. Arul, Srinivas and Arul. Arul and Murali. A and M. No. S and A. No. H and M. Yes. S and R. No. S and M. Option C. Yes. This question. So yeah, we're done with analytical act. Okay, just mark this one. Yeah, we're done with analytical aptitude. And 2 questions, and we just need to do 3 questions. So go to quantitative. So algebraic sum of averages. Okay, this is the most person. Yeah. Okay, let's go Venn diagrams. I can't go into this. There is tables. How is it looking like? Powers. What's powers? Okay, if the real variable x satisfies 3 power. Okay, what they're saying is x satisfies 3 power x square, okay, 3 4 x square, okay, equals to 27 will become what will become also 3 power 3 cube is 25 into 3 4 x. Okay, if we just do like this, you can just, okay, to become 3 power x square equals to 3 power x. Okay, so 3 power x square equals to 3 power x. So what is the value? If we take log then what will so if we just take down 4x what it will become x whole square will become 3 power cube into 3 power 2x. What we have to do, we just want to 3 square 3x whole square, right? Is this true? No, if these two are equal, then they both must be added. So what we have to do is like 3x square equals to 3 plus x. So we just want to x square minus x minus 3 equals 0. So what is x? What is x? It will become getting some different kind of values. Okay, 3 minus 2x is not x, just 2x. Minus 2x, okay, 3 minus 2x, 2x. Okay, here this should be a minus 2, x minus 3, minus 1 to x minus 3. T to become x into x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals 0 to become x into x minus 5 exponent to x minus 5 x become x equals to 3. We've got x equals 1 and 3. So if we substitute here, it will become minus 1. Substitute minus 1 and equal 2 plus 3. How much will equal minus 1? Okay. Equals to 27 to 180. Okay, right is equal. So if we substitute minus 1, it will become 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 whole square to 4 cube. And 2 cube will be the answer. So and also two more questions, and also it can be, if it is MSQ, also say like 2 3, right? It will become but 6 to power 9 by 6 it will become as well 2 power 3. Okay, option C. Yeah, oh my god, this question took so much time. Okay, one of the good question. So what's next? Interest number system number series inspiration. Oh my god, this is some logarithms. Oh, what is this? This question I have done. I think, is it any PYQs? I don't know whether I done this question. Okay, let me do it again if I get correct or not. I think the answer would be 1. I think so. So here it's my code. What if I just have to invert? So what will become? We have to XYZ. We have to product is XYZ. We have to XYZ. So we have to make it different. So P power will become P power X equals to Q. Okay. If we do X equals to log Q to the base P. So yeah, and Y equals will become the same, and it will cancel to answer be 1. So what's the answer? Yeah, C1. That's all. So 1. So 1. 14 questions. We have to do 2 more questions. Okay, can we do this question? Okay. If log P equals to 1, okay, half to 1. Please remake into how can take you? Log P equals 1 by 2, then log Q equals 1 by 3, then log R. Okay, log P equals to 1 half of log P. What is this expression even mean? P equals to half of log Q. It can be okay. Log P equals to log root Q. It equals to log R to the power 1 by 3. So what will be the answers? Okay, if we apply anti-logarithm, the again log will cancel, right? Yeah. So it means P equals to Q power 1 by 2 or power 1 by 3. So we just equal to we have to make 1 by 3. So 6. P power 6 and Q power. What is Q power? Q power. Hey, what? I'm getting too much strong. No. Okay, is all equal to something called constant K. Okay. If P equals to K, then it will become what? K power. Okay, what is the computer? First it is okay, first it comes K square and square then cube square. K power 6 equals to K power Q equals to K power K square. what we here just have to take the common, right? Okay, we have to multiply 6 to become p power 6. Okay, p power 6 equals to q power 3 equals to r power 2. This is what I got it, but if we take 3 common, okay, we take 3 common, can't take anything common like that. So how can we take it? Let me check answer and let me paste. Okay, I got the same. So q square equals to p power 4 into here. It can be like C. I got the same R1 by 3. So q square equals to p power 4. Okay, alternative. So p equals 1 by 3. Okay. K equals to let's k 2k 3k. So p equals to 10 power k. Okay. By looking at the oh my god, p equals to okay, p equals to okay, I got it, man. So p equals to what you want to say here? What is option? Okay, yeah, q square. It can be p equals to 1 by 3. Okay, if you do 1 by p equals q square equals to, okay, you have to do half of 1 of 1. Okay, okay, q square equals to okay, q square equals to p r 1 by 3 and oh, it's very simple. Thanks for your positive solution. Have a doubt? How can we say people investors people? Thanks. So given I got the point. Here p equals to k equals 4. Okay. So here what they say 16 equals to here p okay, t no y 2. Okay, we'll just substitute an option, right? If both are equal, then it can be 2 2 2 2. Okay. Okay, so when he's posted this, so what are the approaches? P square equals to okay, so okay, p equals to e, suppose p equals to ek and q equals to e power 2k. So yeah, okay, we can also go by this approach. What we got p equals to k cube, okay, k power 6 q, and this is r. What is this? Is what q and this one. This 1 by 3. Okay. Equals to k and cube of equals k. To become root, right? If root to become square, okay, square. And here it become cube, okay. So what they're saying, q square is q power 4 equals to yeah. Option B is correct answer. So yeah, we are done with 15 questions, and let's do one more question. And these are good questions. So we'll do this question. For a positive non-zero real variable pq, if log p square plus q square equals to log p plus log q plus 2 log 3. What is this? Okay, log p square plus q square equals to log p plus log q plus 2 log 3. How did they write? They wrote 2 log 3 there. Then the value of p power 4 plus q power 4. It is. So what we have to do? What we have to do, man? These are the topmost of what you think. So p square plus q square equals to log p plus log q plus 2 log 3. Value of p power 4 plus q power 4 by p square q square is. So how to approach this? Log p square plus q square equals to log p. Okay, then it's not common, right? 2 and the value of log p was you have to do with logarithms indeed, right? So how to convert it? So p power 4 plus q power 4 will be like p square whole square plus q square whole square. I do minus. If I have to do just plus 2p square q square minus 2p square q square. Okay, finally we get what p square plus q square whole square minus 2p square q square. Yes, I got it. So what then? Okay, what? Oh man, yes, I just found a way to do. See here I got like p square plus q square whole square minus 2p square q square. Okay, here turn what I have p square q square. Okay, if we just divide by p square q square, then what will I get? What will I get? This one will be cancelled and this will be what? will be cancelled, and this will be like p square plus p square q square minus p square. So this is what we can do, like p square plus q square by p square q square whole square minus 2 pq. So if you do like this, if you divide like it will be 1 by p plus 1 by q. Can I try? No. P by q plus p by q. Yeah. Let's check the question. So these are the good questions. So got it. What given that log p square is equals to, okay, fine, we assume that this base 10, okay, base 10 pq square equals to log p, okay, fine. So equals to log pq plus 3 square will be about 9. So oh my god, so p square plus q square equals to 9pq. So p square plus q square equals 9pq. So got it. So here what we have to do, what 9pq, that's all, 9pq. So where pq get cancelled, here is 9 square, 81 minus 2 to become 79. Oh, I got this, but okay, I need to just simplify. Next question. So let me take, okay, I think it will be marked as, so yeah, so okay, with this we have finished 16 PYQs. That's it. I have to go to lunch, and if possible I will do another stream of solving some more PYQs as well. Until then, have a great day, and let's keep smiling. This smile is not yeah. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.